Question 4. What is the variance of the sum of two random variables x and y? Okay. So sum of x and y. Okay, so let's write it as s equals x plus y. So s stands for the sum. Maybe t would be better, right? T for total. I don't know. So the total of the two variables is just x plus y, their sum. Okay. All right, so the mean for the total, as you would expect, is just the mean of x plus the mean of y. You just add the two means. Okay. The standard deviation of the total, one might think it's the standard deviation of x plus the standard deviation of y. But unfortunately, one does not simply add standard deviations. Okay. However, what can be added is the variances. So the variance of the total is the variance of the first variable plus the variance of the second variable. Okay. Meaning that if we now take the square root of both sides, we'd get an expression for the standard deviation. So the standard deviation for the total is the square root of the variance of x plus the variance of y. Okay. All right, so very quickly we just reviewed the three formulas: the mean of the total, the variance of the total, and the standard deviation of the total. The question was asking about the variance. So, okay, so we can eliminate A, we can eliminate C, and now it's either B or D. Okay, so the only difference between B and D is that D specifies that x and y are independent, okay, which is a requirement. Okay, in order for us to add variances, the variables have to be independent of one another.